Alright, got back to the shop. JB Weld tank. And I let this dry. As you can tell, it's already starting to rust. I should have gotten this first. My fault. So here's a hole. And all the other holes are coming up towards here. There's another one where my finger is. I'm doing my best for the camera work. And the other hole is on this side here. So let's start doing this. I have scissors to cut what I need and a spreader. My phone is on a stand, so sorry about that. Doing my best for you. There you go. Give me a sec to get this organized. Already I got rust falling into the tube. Great. Okay, so I got the wrap off. I think I got too much. It really stinks. Good thing I'm not smoking. This reminds me of differential oil. This smells like burnt metal. I don't know how to describe it. The camera's in the way, so I'm praying that I'm doing it good. Andrew, why don't you look at the camera screen? There you go. Oops. Yeah, I guess I won't need this then. Bad idea. Trying to get into the cracks. Okay, so it's roughly here. should have made a mark where the hole was so I can push into it. Too late. Lesson learned. As you can tell, the storm stopped. We're back to 35 degrees Celsius. I'm trying to see if I can find a hole so I can push into it. So I used around this much, top of my finger. And you know what? I totally missed a hole. The hole is right here. I put that blob there for nothing. Stick number 2. Okay, starting to stick. With the heat, I'm breathing through my mouth, but I'm also downwind, and this stuff is awful. So this was wasted. The rest of the stuff that I cut off, I'm just putting on the other side. Not to waste any. I'm not going to touch the camera stand. I'm all full of gunk. So roughly 3/4. 3/4 used. Oh, there's a hole. Now I got an itchy nose. Looks like there's white dots coming. Okay, so that's it for today. Let me take my gloves off so I can show you. In my videos, you're not going to see my ugly face for 3 minutes before I actually do what's on the title of the video. That's what I fucking hate about YouTube. You all think you're on cable TV or something, especially if you're twangy idiot guitars. The 80s died for a reason. So, that's my job for now. That's when I thought it was another hole, but it wasn't. So the original hole was here. I think I'll put on some more. You get the idea. I'm not going to spend forever on this. I mean, showing it. I'll keep working on it, but I won't always film it. So here it is, looking on the outside a bit further away. Give you a better view. And it was behind this plastic cover that you see here. I just ripped it out, and as you see, it's all rusted. So the time is 6 p.m. So 6 p.m. tomorrow, we'll see what happens. Wish me luck. Oh, and by the way, I got JB Weld in my eye. Yeah, that wasn't fun. 10 minutes under the faucet.